Question 19, t equals a times the square root of bracket k squared plus h squared over 8g. We need to rearrange this for g, which is inside here somewhere. So let's move the a underneath and then unwrap the square root. So move the a from times to divide on the other side. Then we've got the square root of this stuff here, k squared plus h squared, all over 8g. Now we'll undo the square root, so we square both sides. So t over a squared, which I can write as t squared over a squared. No problem there, is there? Square the square root then, we just get left with what's inside. K squared plus h squared over 8g. Now move this 8g up. Well, we don't need to move the 8 up, do we? We just need to solve for g. So move the g up here. That goes there, equals. Leave the k squared plus h squared where it is. Put a bracket around it, because we're going to be moving things around. Leave the 8 where it is. Now we're going to move the t squared down to be with the 8, aren't we? So that t squared can move down there. And the a squared we can move up to be with the k squared plus h squared in the bracket. So move the a squared up from divide to times. And that's g. So let's just quickly double check that. Then we move the a from times to divide. T over a is square root. To undo a square root, you square. The square of this thing, t over a bracket squared, is the same as t squared over a squared, so we can write that down straight away. So we've squared that side. Square over square root is just what's inside, so we can write that down. Now we can leave everything where it is. The only thing we need to move up from divide to times is the g. The t squared, which is times on this side, is now moved down to divide. And the a squared from divide up to times. Because there's more than one term here, and you're timesing by this on the side, put a bracket around it, and we get the answer.